Hi, this is Steve Knight and welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting with the euro, and the pair was relatively flat despite the prior day's volatility from the US FOMC decision. On the news front, the EU CPI flash estimate came in right on expectations at 0.2%. On the dollar side, the Chicago PMI beat estimates, coming in strongly at 54.7. However, the euro remained relatively flat and closed out the week trading around the 109.80 level. Keep an eye on the US ISM manufacturing PMI due shortly, as a surprise may impact the pair strongly. Turning to the pound, and the pair continued its bullish push as it travels up the supporting trend line. The pair subsequently trades around the 156.20 level, but will be looking towards a UK manufacturing PMI due shortly to confirm a move higher. The pound is likely to face some sharp volatility in the next day or two as it deals with a slew of US economic news releases, including the all-important non-farm payrolls. Any hint of weakness in the US data could fuel further upside gains for the cable. Taking a look now at the yen, and the pair continues to be dominated by US dollar strength, as last week saw the Japanese household spending and unemployment rate slip. Household spending contracted 2% and the unemployment rate ticked higher to 3.4%. Many are now starting to question if the Bank of Japan will reopen the coffers for another round of QE. Moving forward, keep a close eye on the Japanese average cash earnings due on Tuesday, as it is likely to reflect some of the softness seen in other indicators. Shifting to commodities now, and crude oil was down strongly as it managed to drop through the March low and now trades around the $46.80 a barrel mark. A supply imbalance still exists within global oil markets, and it is likely that we'll see further bearish pressures until that eases. Gold and silver both remained relatively flat, closing down just 0.05 and 0.36% respectively. Finally, taking a look at our analyst pick of the day, and the cable has continued to follow its overall bullish trend. The pair has recently been subdued and has followed the supporting trend line closely. Price action remains well above the 100-day moving average, whilst RSI is in neutral territory, showing that there is still room to move on the line.